Hey guys, I'm Freddie with HASfit. Today I'm going to show you how to do an overhead dumbbell tricep press. So first step, I want you guys to make a diamond with your hands. You're going to pick up the dumbbell and you're going to make sure, using that diamond grip, that your palms are flush with the top of the dumbbell. You're going to start at the bottom with your elbows at least at a 90-degree angle, and you're just going to press up. 1 and 2. Make sure you keep your elbows in, and you're just going to be using your elbow joints to press up. You're not going to swing with your shoulders. You're just going to press straight up using your triceps. 1 and 2. 1 and 2, just like that. And there you have it. That's the overhead dumbbell tricep press. Make sure you go to our YouTube channel and subscribe, and you guys have a great day.